In this video, we'll be going over using categories and tags. You can add categories by heading over to the categories link here in the WordPress dashboard navigation menu to the left of the screen. Categories and tags are a way to add organizational structure to your posts. Categories are basically a way to organize your posts into categories, like topics for example. So here on my categories page, you can see all of my current categories here to the right, and to the left you're able to add new ones. Here you name your category, and underneath it you have something called a slug. Just like it says down here, the slug is a URL friendly version of the category. It's usually all lowercase and only contains letters, numbers, and hyphens. You can also add hierarchies to your categories. Unlike tags, these can be nested. For example, you might have a foosball category like I have here, and under that we have a players category, and under that we have a rankings category. To the right of the players category you'll see a description, which you can see I can add over here when you're making a new one. The description section is just a place for you to add more detail about the post that you have assigned to that category. Some WordPress themes will show your description. So we can go ahead and take a look at our foosball post from earlier. And you'll notice it's in the foosball category, and underneath it you'll see the subcategories that we just saw. So we have the players and the rankings. Also want to show you another thing. We'll head back over to our categories page. Let's say we wanted to see a page with all our uncategorized posts listed in it. I'll go ahead and bring over a window over here to let you see the URL. You can type in your website URL followed by category and the name of the category. This will bring up a post with all the categories listed on this page. So here I have the uncategorized category listed with all my test posts. This is another cool feature if you're wanting to see a page with all the categories listed on one page. Now on to tags. Tags are just another way to organize your posts. These may seem confusing, but you can think of them as keywords to help find your post. And if you're still wondering what the difference is between categories and tags, you can kind of think of categories like predetermined sections. So if you think of your website like a book, the categories are like the table of contents and the tags are like the terms in the index. If you need any more help or have any more questions, you can always head over to the right hand side of your screen and click the help button, where you can get a quick overview over the tags and categories and links to support and documentation.